Hey fellow geeks and tech lovers, my name is Easy. I'm here with Geeks Room, going to be unboxing and reviewing Maglock's wireless magnetic charger. Not just any charger, their superhero charger. I have done some reading on this and honestly pretty excited. Let's just go ahead and dive right in. It's for the iPhone 12 and above. From my understanding, it will actually charge anything from the iPhone 8 and up, but it goes with the MagSafe compatible cases, hence the reason the 12 and up. Let's see here. It does have, it says try me packaging. Experience the Maglock right through the box. It says seriously. So we're gonna give that a shot. I do have my cell phone right here, obviously. And charging right through the box. Holding on pretty nicely. Let's see what it looks like. It's got 32 hours of battery life. Magnetic attachment, excuse me, the anti-slip design. The audible on and off, which we just heard through the box. So you know that it's charging. It says you know your iPhone is charging without even checking. It's awesome. No one likes waking up in the morning and realizing that your phone is dead and you thought it'd been charging all night. All right, so it's pretty sleek. A little bit thicker than I had anticipated, but let's see. There's that audible confirmation and charging. It's actually pretty strong grip. Not that I imagine I'm going to be shaking it. I like that it's there instead of like most typical wireless chargers where you have to mount them. You can actually carry this around, make your phone calls, things like that. That's pretty nice. It is good looking, comes in several different colors. The integrated rubber accent, I like. So I'm not worried about scratching the back of my phone. Premium hard shell finish. Protects against scratches, stains, fading, things like that. Wireless charging, 5-watt output, audible on off. The anti-slip design, all the things I just mentioned. All in all, I really like it. Play with that noise all day. I like, it says 32 hours of battery life. That's good. Going on a road trip, something like that. That would really come in handy. Again, it's the Maglock wireless magnetic superhero charger. I like it.